Hey guys, this is Josh with Blog of Speed. It's been a while, but I figured I'd tell you about the newest project to come into my hands. It's a 92 Miata that I traded to David Riggs of Powerhouse Racing in Texas for a video card. So here's the illustrious 1992 Miata in white with a little bit of rust and some paint chipping off. The car's in pretty good shape. It's a little rough around the edges. The interior is pretty much complete. I added already the IRP Racing short shifter, DDM Works gauge pod and radio bracket, Kenwood Bluetooth radio. The steering wheel system is being changed. Right now there's a quick disconnect NRG wheel adapter and an older Momo wheel. I took the door panel off because it was kind of moldy and old. It's got an extremely worn out bride seat, but the car actually drives pretty good. Now let me go ahead and pop the hood for you. Okay, pop, let's go over. If you're wondering what the masking tape is, I was laying out some lines for a radiator duct that we'll be doing soon. So under the hood is a JDM 1.6. It was replaced by the previous owner. I guess they had an engine problem. Pretty much stock. It's got a header, intake, lovely stock airflow meter, and I've already cleaned up some of the wiring. As you can see on this fender, it's pretty clean. That took a lot of degreaser and a little bit of a wiring tuck and a delete of some other unnecessary wiring. The other side I'm not quite done with, basically because, forgive the power steering fluid, there's a little hit that is on the frame rail in front of the suspension, so no big deal structurally. And as you can see, it's a little crinkled on the side, and the headlight cover has taken some abuse, mostly from the hood not being aligned. But all in all, the car's in decent shape for a starting point of a project. It will soon get a turbo and a lot of other changes, but it did come with some cool parts. We have TR Motorsport 15x7s, and it's got a solid iBox sway bar and Tane Street Basis Z coilovers. So guys, that's the Miata. It will be featured in a lot of videos. We're gonna do more how-to, DIY, and show you transforming this car from a really scruffy beater to a really good looking and really awesome performing little car. Thanks for watching as always, and please subscribe for more.